I can hardly speak. My heart is beating so, and anyone can tell. You think you know me well, you don't know me. No, you don't know the one who dreams of you at night, who longs to kiss your lips and longs to hold you tight. To you I'm just a friend, that's all I'll ever be. No, you don't know me. I never knew the art of making love, though my heart aches with love for you. Afraid and shy, I let my chance go by, the chance that you might love me too. You give your hand to me when you say goodbye. I watch you walk away beside that lucky guy, to never, never know the one who loves you so.